Jim is finding more work to do. It's a beautiful day out here. He's got his tarp up. It's sunny, 90 degrees, looking beautiful. Jim's busy vacuuming the dock. He's made a shade over here. I'm heading for the shade. Nice and smooth.
I wouldn't touch it.
Oh, it's fiberglass. Don't touch. So all that will be filled in. Alrighty. There's Jolly Roger's up there. So you can see what it looks like here along the rub rail. It's just old caulk, and it's kind of, you know, you can see it flaking off a little bit. So this will be taken off. The screws will come off first, of course, and then the metal, and everything underneath that metal is going to be shined, and then this will be popped off just using a putty knife. So kind of here, that dry. And so once that's all clean, I do not have this filmed. I was in Huntsville, and we're only gonna go to right here where that little separation is, all the way down. It's not too far. All right, little projects continue in Demopolis. I wonder what Jim's up to now. Oh, it's a day for caulk, huh?
Some 3M 4000
Okay.
UV. So it's not the high strength adhesive of 5200 because it's on an item that could be removed again. So let's come look what I'm taking care of.
All right. So Jim has been doing small jobs here in Demopolis. Some are bigger. Some I've helped with greatly. This one, not too much. I did kind of get heat stroke the other day out here.
So part of rebedding all the handrails, all the fittings, any boat, you know, of our age, probably every 10 years really needs to be rebedded. Handrails, stanchions, cleats. And so I'm rebedding the rub rails on the bow that can come off. This rub rail here is molded in fiberglass.
That's not
so
removable.
It doesn't come off. Now the metal rub rail could possibly be taken off. So that might be something to think about. At least pull the screws out and rebed it. But this one I rebedded. This is the joining of the upper cabin in the hull from the factory. So I think what it looked like is sort of like this. This is the hull, and here's the top deck. And it goes over, and they put a bedding material in it. And then they screw in about every foot. They really did a good job. They oversized the screw hole and then filled it with epoxy and then put a small screw in there. But there's a seam here, and that adhesive sealant, it was kind of getting old too. So
Well, the caulk wasn't pretty on top of it. That was...
No, it had been caulked on top, and the way to really do it is to remove the rub rail. It's not easy. I mean, it's relatively easy. It's going to take 3 of us. Take it off, clean it all up, and then I did put 5200 in that seam. It's flexible, and I like the adhesive properties more than I do the 4000. So it's a solid seam, so that would prevent any water from going in and into the hull. So
Let me walk up here and see the front of it. And Jim does have tape, so we don't do any damage to the paint, top or bottom.
ready. So I'm going to put black 4000 on the bottom, white on the top. It'll ooze out, and then I'll clean it up. It'll be a nice, pretty pond.
All right, so this is going to be a 3-person job.
Yes, ma'am.
So Jim right now they're dry fitting it to make sure all the holes line up, and we haven't had an issue. All right, sweat equity, no blood equity, just sweat. Three of us just finished. I was just holding on to the plastic rub rail. You can see where Jim made marks here. You see those black marks where those screws go. So he knows where to put, he needed to put extra caulk in there. He did a white caulk on top and a black caulk on the bottom. He is using the neighbor's caulk gun. Whew. So a nice battery operated Milwaukee, and then the old-fashioned caulk gun. All right, we got the stainless on top of it. They're taking care of the excess caulk, putting in the extra screws. So this is why you bring a buddy boat along. They've been helping each other with jobs. We have a tugboat heading south. Well, a job that I thought was gonna be a little bit harder because on that rub rail, all the screws have to be lined up, but having the extra person was very helpful. So from standing here, it looks wonderful. Hey, there's Jim. We're gonna go ahead and drop the dinghy in the water tomorrow, and we went to offload it today to drop it in the water, and the battery was dead. So he's up there charging the battery. What a gorgeous evening. The temperatures are dropping a little bit. I thought I was gonna pass out from the heat and the hard work out here on the dock. I didn't film because I had to have my hands on that rub rail. We're very thankful for the neighbor. Work goes so much easier when there's an extra person. What a gorgeous night. You can hear the crickets, the frogs. There's an owl. You can hear the kids up at the pool. The rub rail looks wonderful. And we've only done the port side. We have not got to the starboard side of rebedding. So the handrails were all rebedded with caulk, meaning we physically took the handrails off, recaulked them. They're nice and tight. And wow, Jim amazes me again. Just all the work that he does. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching, and we'll be making more.